Here at Lloyd Approved Cars Kelso, we are pleased to present this Mercedes-Benz A-Class A200d AMG line, finished in mountain grey metallic exterior paint, with 18-inch 5-spoke diamond-turned alloy wheels. Some of the standout features on this car include automatic LED headlamps, power folding heated door mirrors, and on the tailgate we have the rear camera. As we enter now beneath the tailgate, we can see the 40/20/40 rear folding seats and the load space cover. Entering into the rear of the cabin now, we can see the black Artico leather and Dinamica microfibre seats with ISOFIX child seat mounts and the second row climate vents. Entering into the front of the cabin, we can see the front seats, which, as you can see, are in fantastic condition. As we turn now to the multifunction steering wheel, we can see the cruise controls, gear shift paddles and the gear selector, digital gauge cluster display, and the hands-free mobile controls. On the centre display we have the rear camera and satellite navigation, as well as DAB radio, and on the centre console the 2-zone climate control. For more information on this vehicle, please get in touch with our sales team on the contact details provided.